Hello, happy Tuesday. This is Miss Kelly here for your math video for Tuesday, May 5th. And I'm really excited because we're going to keep building on and practicing strategies that we learned this year. Yesterday, we practiced the strategy, make a 10. But today, we're going to solve subtraction problems by taking from the 10. So yesterday, when we added and our numbers got bigger, we built the 10. Today, we're subtracting. Our numbers are getting smaller, so we're going to take away from the 10. But I'm going to show you how to take from the 10 using a 10 frame drawing, how to take from the 10 using number bonds, and how to take from the 10 using your own fingers and your brain. Then at the end, you can decide which is the way that you want to solve your practice problems today. Let's get started. Like we said yesterday, a good mathematician can always solve using a math drawing. In this case, I know I'm going to take from the 10, so I want to use a 10 frame drawing. To build my 10 frame, I'm going to start with a big rectangle. I know that there's a row on top and a row on bottom, so I need to cut it in half. There we go. And now I need to put 5 on each top and bottom row. To do that, I'm going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 make 10. I'm all set with my 10 frame. Now, this is subtraction, and when we are doing subtraction, we always start with that whole number. So I'm going to look at my whole number, and I want to fill in my 10 frame and see how many are outside my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can see how many are left to be outside my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I broke 17 into 10 and 7. Now I'm ready to start subtracting. I'm going to cross off 17 because I don't have 17 anymore. I broke it into 10 and 7. Now I need to take away 9. Am I going to take the 9 away from my 7 down here? No way. The name of our strategy is take from the 10. And I know 10 minus 9 is 1. So I'm going to quickly take away that 9 and I see I have 1 left. Let me show that with a number sentence. 10 minus 9 is the same as 1. But I still have that 7 over here. What am I going to do with this 1 and 7? I'm going to put them back together. 1 plus 7. I can also add that really quickly. I know 1 plus 7 is 8. So 17 minus 9 must be the same as 8. I was able to use my 10 frame drawing to help me take from the 10 and solve really quickly. But if you don't want to use a 10 frame drawing, you can use a number bond instead. What we do when we have a number bond is similar to our 10 frame drawing. I want to break down that whole number to get 10. So I have to think. 17 is the same as 10 and how many ones? 7. 10 and 7. Bye-bye 17. Now I'm ready to take away 9. Where am I going to take that from? Can I take 9 away from 7? No, I need to take it away from the 10. 10 minus 9 is the same as 1, that's right. So I can cross off 10, bye-bye 10. I can cross off 9, bye-bye 9. and I'm left with 1 and this 7 over here. What do I do with lonely numbers? I put them back together. So I'm ready to add those two lonely numbers back together. 7 plus 1 is the same as 8. So I know that 17 minus 9 is the same as 8. This is how you take from the 10 using a number bond. But there's one more way that you can use our take from the 10 strategy. Let me show you how to use your fingers to solve. Okay, I'm solving the problem 17 minus 9 is the same as, I know my whole number 17 is where I want to start, but I want to have a group of 10. So I'm going to break 17 into 10 on my fingers, and that leaves 7 in my head. I'm not going to put the larger part in my head because I need to take away from the 10. So that needs to be on my fingers. I'm going to put 10 on my fingers, 7's in my head. Now I'm ready to take from the 10. We're taking away 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What am I left with? 1. But don't forget about that 7 in my head. 7 plus 1 is the same as 8. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. All right, my friends, now it's your turn to practice. I have 10 practice problems here for you. I want you to use the take from the 10 strategy, but you can show that using a 10-frame drawing, using number bonds, or using your fingers to solve. Make sure you're sending this work to Miss Finney and Miss Kelly so we can see what amazing mathematicians you are. Have an awesome rest of your day.